My walnut trees have been tapped since February 2nd, and I was curious to see what the sugar content in the black walnuts is 6 weeks into the season. Now, my maple tree went from 3.3% sugar content down to 2% in the same amount of time. And if you look inside, I'm going to try and get a reading on this. If you look in there, you can see the sugar content in my black walnut is right just a little bit below 3%. So that's still, 35-to-1 ratio. So I'll still be able to collect my black walnut for a little while longer. Still be able to boil it down until the sugar content really dwindles in it. So the season for the black walnut seems to be lasting longer. I'm not seeing any buds either on the trees, so we might be able to get another week or two of time for our black walnut to keep going. So that's what's happening in the sugar bush here at the Cherrick homestead. We've got maple sap, we got black walnut sap. We're collecting both, and yeah, it's 55 degrees, so we got to get our sap in a nice cold place until we can cook it down. Hope everything's going well in your sugar bush. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maple and black walnut videos.